Let's start by defining a function named waitFor. This function takes one argument, ms, which represents milliseconds. Inside the function, we return a new promise. The promise constructor receives a function that takes two arguments usually called resolve and reject. Here, we're only using resolve. We then use the setTimeout function to simulate an asynchronous operation that will complete after a certain amount of time has passed, which is determined by the ms parameter. When the time elapses, the resolve function is called, indicating that the promise has been fulfilled. Next, we simulate three different asynchronous operations. Async operation 1 is a call to our waitFor function with a 1000 millisecond, or 1 second, delay. Once this operation completes, it resolves with the string result of operation 1. Similarly, async operation 2 and async operation 3 are set up with 2 and 3 seconds of delay, respectively, each resolving with their own unique message. Note that these are non-blocking operations, and they start executing as soon as the script runs. To manage all of these asynchronous operations concurrently, we make use of Promise.all. It takes an array of promises as an argument. Promise.all then runs all the operations concurrently, and once every single promise in the array is resolved, it completes, providing an array of results to the then method. The results are logged to the console, showing all operations completed followed by an array of resolved values. If any single promise in the array is rejected, Promise.all will immediately reject as well, and the error will be caught and logged by the catch method.